exactly how easy is it these days to get into 3D printing? Is it like a $200 thing where you can just go to your local micro center and get a Select Mini V2 like this? Should you save your money for a Prusa Mini Plus? This is the Select Mini V2. How cheap can a printer be before it's just like utter garbage? Well, in terms of new printers, the Budget King is the Creality Ender 3 at $190, but if that's a little too high and up here for you, I would recommend the Kingroon KP3S, available for $160 and $100 used on eBay. So it's honestly pretty good, and I've heard a lot of good things about it. The Budget Used King is the Monoprice Select Mini V2 or V3, sometimes available as low as $25 plus shipping on eBay. For this video, I've obtained a Select Mini V2. Two Select Mini V2s, except one of them doesn't work. Thanks, Beth. At the time of the making of this video, I have not gotten my Ender 3 to work due to a simple soldering issue, thanks Creality. So we don't have a comparison, but I have other friends. Okay, you actually... And I have friends who say the Select Mini V2 is really bad. Back to my testing methodology. The bottom of the benchy should be flat with a slightly recessed ct3d.xyz. It should be readable, just to know. If you can't see it, your bed level is too high. The bottom of your benchy is in the inverse of your bed level is too low. I can control that, so it should usually be decently good and will not be scored. The next is bridging performance. If the front of the boat, the ceiling of the cabin, and the front window don't look too bad, the printer's score will get 10 points and a gold star. The next part is precision. A hashtag 3D Benchy sign is on the back of the boat and extruded 1/10 of a millimeter. The benchy will be scored on its readability out of 10 points. The next issue is stringing. If there are no Venetian blinds on the boat, the printer will get 10 points. After that, there is noise. This will be graded out of 10 points, not by how loud it is, but by how annoying it is and how much you just want to, like, die after you hear it. The overall quality and ease of use of this printer will be scored out of 10 by how easy it is to get a print running and how good the UI is. The time it takes to print a good benchy will be scored out of 6 hours and worth 100 points. This is because almost any printer can print a decent benchy for the most part, but it should not take 6 hours to print 10.8 grams of filament. First of all, let me say that the Select Mini V2 requires no assembly from the get-go, so it is better for beginners who don't want a large instruction booklet, 500 parts, and a couple hours to spend. It is also decently cheap and can be found new for as low as $100. I got mine for free, but don't count on it. I got mine used but untouched, and out of the box, bed leveling is very, very good. Simply. Guys, why can't you just bed level from the factory? Way better. Why don't you do it? Everything worked. As a note to beginners, leveling your bed increases your print quality drastically and removes the need to use a brim or raft for build plate adhesion. Kids, that saves filming, just like QuickFits. The extruder looks similar to an E30 V6 Bowden tube extruder, but is not as good and probably way cheaper. For Monoprice, this is pretty good, as usually most of their products are dead on arrival. LTD Monoprice gaming setup. The software is rather sparse and great for beginners, as the only options are move axis, preheat, and print. The printer is supposed to work over Wi-Fi, but I could not get that to work. This has been Evan, and thank you for watching JZ Tech.